For metal roofing, the minimum roof pitch you select determines whether a profile will shed water reliably or risk leaks. The general thumb rule is that standing seam panels perform well at very low slopes so long as seams are correctly formed, with a common guideline being 1/4 inch rise for every 12 inches run or more, while exposed fastener profiles typically require a steeper pitch, often around 3 inches rise for every 12 inches run or more, or whatever the manufacturer specifies. Always consult the panel maker for their tested minimums because profiles, coatings, and clip systems vary, and laboratory or field test results govern watertight limits. When you are working near the lower limit, use continuous self-adhering membrane such as ice and water shield across eaves and valleys to back up the metal and prevent leakage driven by wind or capillary action. Pay careful attention to flashing detail where roofs meet penetrations in walls, and form metal so that it extends correctly over backstop flashings and terminates into counterflashings or sealants designed for metal roofing. For retrofit over existing sheathing, make sure the substrate is flat, dry, and supported at clip locations to avoid panel oil canning and to maintain seam engagement. When possible, raise panels with clip systems that allow thermal movement without compromising water shedding, and fasten per pattern that resists wind uplift while keeping compression at seams within manufacturer limits. The 3 common mistakes are assuming all metal roofs behave the same, which leads to using an exposed fastener profile where a standing seam is required, so check profile limits and choose the correct system. Second is skimping on underlayment and edge flashings, which invites leaks on low slopes, so always extend self-adhering membrane at least up to the first fastener line and detail continuous metal edge flashings. Third is improper panel engagement or fastener placement that allows water to travel under overlaps, so follow panel seating procedures, torque fasteners to spec, and use seam tools or mechanical seaming for the manufacturer recommended engagement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like metal roofing, and we help people find local professionals and peers to discuss specifics. We host a discussion community where we and others share installation experiences, profile recommendations, and real-world troubleshooting.